So many of our readers are familiar with Mycom in the U.S. as an engineering company, but they may not be familiar with Mycom as a software company. Can you talk a little bit about about Mycom as a software company?
Sure. So Mycom is one of the leading providers in the area of OSS solutions, especially in the service assurance. So we have a suite of software solutions that cover the network performance management from an end-to-end perspective, and a layer on top that is dealing with service performance management. So not only we enable our customers to have a visibility on end-to-end visibility on the performance of the services that they are delivering to the end subscribers, which has of course a great impact on their quality of experience, but also we enable them to drill down to the network level and to pinpoint exactly the areas in the network that are creating certain issues on the quality, end-to-end quality of service, and then fix it in an instantaneous manner. So that at all time, in near real time, our customers have a full control and visibility over the quality of service they are offering to their subscribers, and they are also fully in control over the underlying, over the network performance, the underlying causes, and they can always maintain the quality of service at an optimal level.
Can you talk about some of the announcements you've made at this year's TM Forum Management World?
Sure. First of all, we have announced a new release of our software platform named ProOptima, and this is the release V4 that brings some of the major improvements and value-added features. The first thing is what we call ultra scalability and performance that is necessary to manage the complex networks of today. LTE, managing LTE networks means managing multi-layered networks with IP, with 4G, 3G, small cells, Wi-Fi, etc. And that needs that creates a massive amount of data that need to be analyzed in real time. So we are extending the performance of our platforms to 10 billion data records per hour. And this is what it takes to really manage in real time the performance and the quality of service of such networks. Not only that, but we are bringing it to a 5 minutes granularity. So our customers are able to have a full control over the quality of service and the network performance in a 5-minute granularity. So that's the first announcement. And the second announcement is we've announced a customer win with T-Mobile Group, and specifically T-Mobile Austria is one of the countries where we have deployed our solution to help them with the launch of their LTE. So they are relying on our solution to monitor in near real time the performance of the LTE, the quality of the service delivered over it, and then ensure it is optimized at all times.
What else can you maybe talk about the impact on T-Mobile's bottom line and being able to deploy that type solution for the LTE deployment?
Sure. In fact, one of the key areas, if you look at communication service providers, or one of the challenges they have to face today is their falling profits because of what's happening. We all know the massive increase of data traffic and then flattening revenues. So we have invested a lot in the automation, intelligent automation, that allows them not only to have this visibility that we spoke about, but then allows our platform to analyze, detect the issues in the network, identify the appropriate solutions, and then in a closed loop go and fix the issue in the network in a closed loop. So this self-management of the network and this intelligence that we are bringing brings great operational efficiencies and greatly helps with the bottom line and makes the business case of the LTE much healthier. On top of it, what we want and what we encourage our customers to do is to monetize this quality of service with their partners, with over-the-top players. We believe that quality of service is a key asset that our customers have got, and they need to monetize it. And we, by offering our solutions and expertise, we help them to at all time manage this quality of service, control it, maintain it at an optimal level, and then monetize it with the OTT. And we think that the combination of these two, monetization of the QoS and cost reductions and efficiencies, will make the business case fly and will restore profitability of communication service providers.
One of the big themes of this year's show is performance management and service assurance, but what makes Mycom unique?
Well, some of the things that I mentioned, one of it is our ability to manage the networks from an end-to-end perspective across the domains. Today, you cannot manage the networks in silo mode, as is used to be the case before. Breaking the silos across the organization and having the ability to perform this cross-domain, what we call the cross-domain correlation, bringing the performance of the mobile, access, core, backhaul, IP, value-added services platforms together across different domains and vendors, correlate them together and provide these end-to-end views in near real time is something today unique that is not being done in the industry, and we're bringing together with the seamless integration between the service level and the network level. So it's not anymore enough to say just to provide visibility on quality of service. What you need today is to bring solutions to identify where the issues are and then to resolve them in near real time to maintain an optimal quality of experience at all time. And this is what our platform does, and this is a unique value proposition in the industry today.
Munir, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good.